Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change pattern lock in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. I put lock screen and try to open with my pattern. This is my pattern. If I want to change the pattern, then I can do it. For that, go to the settings and I click on security. Now click on screen lock and it will ask again pattern to verify. You have to view the current pattern now. This is the current pattern, and if you want to change the pattern, click on pattern again and draw different one that you used previously. So here I used different one. Okay, and click on next. Again draw the same pattern to verify, click confirm, and hereafter the present pattern will be what I did now. Okay, I put lock screen and try to open with my pattern. Now this previous pattern will not work, and only this pattern will work. Okay, in this way you can easily change your pattern if you want. Okay, you can change your pattern at any time, at any number of times. Okay, whenever you want to change your pattern, just do it. Okay, don't use the same pattern for long time. Frequently change your pattern so that no one can identify your pattern, and you can keep your phone with you very safe. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.